The paleo lifestyle, bringing it all together with exercise. The one thing we know beyond the shadow of a doubt is that our Paleolithic ancestors were active. They had no choice but to move their bodies and develop their muscles as they did their best to survive in difficult conditions and ensure that the ones they cared about most were able to eat and thrive. Without that dedication, none of us would be where we are today. Our species would be extinct. Fortunately, our ancestors had the will to move. They had a drive to survive, and that drive is part of us even today. What we must do is learn to channel that in new ways. We no longer wander through forests hunting and gathering as a necessary survival mechanism. We go to the grocery store. We navigate concrete jungles. We go to the gym if we think about it. But we aren't running around after animals to hunt them down to feed our families. We aren't moving most of the time the way our ancestors had to move, and that could be a real problem for our bodies. A paleo lifestyle goes beyond just dieting. We must make sure we are utilizing our bodies, making conscious choices not to lay around and hibernate or watch television all day. If we aren't trying to be active, then going paleo in our diets is not likely to have the most profound effects on our health. If you have a specific image of what it means for your body to go paleo, just keep in mind that while eating better can help you shed some weight, it is not going to do anything to tone your muscles. Only exercise can do that. There are a lot of types of exercising our Paleolithic ancestors might have participated in. It is safe to say that they would have done a fair amount of running, lifting, carrying, squatting, and climbing. All of those are natural occurrences in a survival situation. It is even possible that they would have done swimming as well. Just imagine how long it might have taken to walk around and follow a herd to a new location. Our bodies are built for movement, and if we aren't utilizing them for that purpose, it can be exceptionally challenging to stay in shape and live as healthy a lifestyle as possible. Fortunately, there are easy things you can do to stay in shape. Take a walk every day, for example. Do some stretches. Give yourself 20 minutes of cardio every few days. The hardest part about building a workout routine is getting started and sticking with it. But you can use the advice given in the videos about building habits to help you begin to get on track. There is nothing that can stop you from taking the steps you need to take for yourself to begin building a better life. All you have to do is care enough to make the commitment and follow through with it.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.